From the beginning of her career, Kareena Kapoor has been trolled many times. Be it for her roles, her diet, her dating, her behavior off screen, and whatnot. Recently, she has been caught in controversy due to her Sita role in an upcoming mythological drama. And even today, trolls are not ready to leave her alone. In fact, Kareena is one of the most trolled Bollywood celebrities of recent time. Today we are going to talk about the times when Kareena Kapoor got trolled badly. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Kareena trolled for naming her sons Taimur and Jahangir. Kareena Kapoor has been trolled badly while naming her sons. She named her firstborn child Taimur, which was the name of a Turkish invader. From the moment the name of her firstborn child was announced, she started getting trolled. This happened again when she named her second-born Jay, which is short for Jahangir. No matter how bad the trolling was, both Kareena Kapoor and her husband Saif Ali Khan have been positive. In a recent interview, she said that she doesn't care about trolls. And she is never going to let anyone interfere with her personal life. Kareena trolled for naming her book The Pregnancy Bible. Kareena's recent book Pregnancy Bible got released recently. It was a happy moment for her, but the trolls had something else in mind. According to reports, she has been slammed for using the word Bible for her book. Secondly, there have been multiple objections regarding some contents of the book. For example, she has talked about how her sexual interest decreases during pregnancy. Some people are not happy with her talking about such personal stuff so publicly. And that is why some people have started to troll her. Kareena trolled for her comments on Sushant Singh Rajput. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death had brought out many dark sides of Bollywood. At that time, a clip of Kareena Kapoor went viral. The clipping was from the popular show Coffee with Karan. In the video, Kareena was seen commenting on who she thought Sara Ali Khan should date. Kareena mentioned that she told Sara not to date her first hero. Since Sara Ali Khan's first movie was Kedarnath, that made Sushant her first hero. Netizens were not happy with the video clip as they thought it seemed like she was bullying outsiders. It had sparked an outrage on the internet after Sushant's death. Kareena trolled for her role as Sita. Recently, #boycott Kareena Kapoor Khan was trending on various social media platforms. It started when Kareena Kapoor was offered a role as Sita in an upcoming mythological drama. The drama is based on Ramayana and is directed by Alaukik Desai. Reports said that she increased her fees to 12 crores rupees for the role. And this did not go well with the social media users, as they found this to be offensive to their religious sentiments. Kareena trolled for shattering pregnancy taboos. Unlike other celebrities, Kareena has never been hesitant in showing off her baby bumps for photoshoots. She has been rather open while sharing her pregnancy experiences. Many people trolled her for this, but it did not affect her vibe. She said, "I do have a stomach and I am big. But I have a child in there and I am carrying it proudly." Kareena trolled for not dressing like a mother. Kareena Kapoor's movie Veere Di Wedding got released after the birth of her first son, Taimur. She was trolled for the outfits she wore in the movie. She was slammed poorly for not dressing up like a mother. Well, Bebo has a strong opinion, and she doesn't shy away from expressing herself. Coming to the trolling, Kareena has fought the trolls gracefully. What are your thoughts on Kareena Kapoor Khan? Let us know in the comment section. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.